Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to factory reset and format your Itel mobile phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on settings right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure I go to system right here. Click on system. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you go to reset options. That's going to take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to click on erase all data, factory reset. Click on that. And it's going to take you right here. And at this section here, this will erase all data from your phone, internal storage, including your Google account is going to be wiped off, system and app data and settings wipe off, downloaded apps wipe off, music, photos and other user data wipe off. You are currently signing into the following account. And all the details you have on your phone is going to be shown from the bottom side right here. Now, if you want to really erase and format all your phone, what you need to do is to simply click on erase and all data. And with that, all the data on your phone will be erased and clear off, and the phone system become new. And this is much possible if you want to sell out your phone or you want to dash someone your phone. So this is how best to format everything you have on the phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.